Hello everybody, today we are looking at Joyce Windows Heritage Series. And in case you don't know Joyce Windows, actually they are out of Ohio and been in business for many decades. So let's go ahead and dive into it. We're gonna start as usual from the interior of the window with the interior design. Here we go, we're gonna take a look, like a general look on the whole window from the interior of the house. So this way you can see how this window is gonna look like in your house. When you look at the interior design, right off the bat, we can see that there is no side locks to tilt in the bottom sash. We have these two beautiful locks, and stay with me till the end. I'll show you actually how to tilt it in inside for easy cleaning. So what we have here is called lock and tilt system. So to open the window, you just unlock it like this, and we have here like a little unlock drawing or something like that. So you do both locks, and now you can operate the sash. So the bottom sash you can move up and down. At the bottom of the window we have all the way through lift trail, and the same thing is at the top sash. We have all the way through lift trail, so it's pretty much easy to operate both sashes. Balance cars are standard on this window, so which is nice. Otherwise without the balance car it would be a pretty much deep channels that all spider web and doors would accumulate there. Vent latches, pretty much standard on all the windows, including this window as well. So to pull them up, you just have to have like a little bit of nails or just pop them out like that. So you can ventilate like a few inches at the bottom if you have cats, pets, or anything like that. So you can keep them, make sure that you're keeping them inside, or you can do the top section. And in this case, we have full screen, so you can ventilate both sashes at the same time. The window has nice interior trim around the window glass, which enhances the look of your house. And now, as usual, let's see what the frame and the sash combined thickness to make sure that you get as much of glass real estate as it is possible. So right here we got 278. Okay, now as usual, let's switch to the exterior design of this window. Okay, so let's have a big picture look, so to say, on the exterior design of the window. And we have here full screen, just as I mentioned before. And all I can say is this screen channel here does not stick out too much, not too bulky like with other windows, and it has a sloped structure. So this way all the water is going to go away from the window, which is a nice feature to have. And in this window we actually have a high-tech screen system, so to say. So this screen here, it's called actually a Flexscreen. So what's special about it? So it's pretty much heavy duty, easy removal. So you do like that, or you do like this. Here we go. Then you pull out this side and that side, and here you go. It comes out pretty much flexible and heavy duty. It's pretty much tough to slash. Okay, so once we remove the screen, we have access to the complete exterior design of both sashes, and in here pretty much nice and clean, easy look, but at the same time looks luxurious, looks nice. And there is no whip holes, so the water drains. The water system is pretty much good, so those whip holes, they do cause a lot of problems. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty much simple but elegant design. All that nice and clean design and easy cleaning, this is definitely nice features and welcomed by everybody. But at the same time, what about energy efficiency? Because you are replacing your windows, probably not because of the design and all that. I mean, it's nice to have it, but you want to improve energy efficiency of your house. So instead, the energy company is sending you a thank you card every Christmas because you're spending so much on energy. Guess what? You're going to be saving the money. So let's see how this window is insulation. To do that, as usual, again, lift up the sash, tilt it in. Let's see if I can do it from here. Yep, right here. And we're going to check the weather stripping on both sashes. So right here, the top one comes in as well. So, and we're going to take a closer look at this. Okay, so now we have access to both sashes, and let's check out the weather stripping. So we have double weather stripping on the top sash, and we do have double weather stripping on the bottom sash. Right here we do have stops which again, nice thing to have, because that's where most of the air escapes the house when with the new windows. But yeah, so double weather stripping. I mean, probably the third layer would not hurt, you know, to put it somewhere in here. But at the same time, when the window is nicely adjusted, let's see, when we lock this sash right here, yep, so it has this piece of the frame here that is pretty much nice and tight. So probably you are gonna be happy with infiltration. It's not gonna be too much air going out of the house and into the house. And I do have here a corner cut. So basically this is like a corner cut of the window. So we can see that the window comes standard with the foam fill of the frame and the sashes. I can actually come here closer so we can have a closer look right here. Pretty much fusion foam. And we have a flexible spacer, which, why is that important? Because other window manufacturers, they use aluminum, which expands and contracts a lot in winter or summertime and then breaks the seal and you have foggy glass inside. The glass, by the way, is glass units made by Cardinal Glass, same manufacturer of the glass that uses Anderson and Marvin, I believe. The window has 3 laminates and actually available black laminate as well. If you'd like to have your windows black inside, black outside, no problem, we can make it happen for you. Then we have another nice feature right here in this crossbar. We have composite reinforcements. This window manufacturer does it a good job, because let's say you have those beautiful elephant windows, pretty much white. So you definitely, in that case, you need this composite reinforcements inside this crossbar and the top sash bottom as well. Otherwise, you're gonna, after some time, if there is nothing, there is no fill in here, you're gonna get those smiley windows, and when the windows are smiling, you're gonna be crying because you're not gonna be able to lock them, unlock them, operate them properly. So pretty much nice feature. Let me actually show you closer. Right here, this composite reinforcements, they do go your keeper and your lock as well actually screws into this composite reinforcements. Pretty much cool. And when you look at the glass of the window, you can tell it's a little bit tinted, kind of like sunglasses. So this window actually has many varieties, options of the glass. You can get double pane glass with double OE, triple OE, argon gas inside. You can get triple pane glass, so it all depends on your budget and your goals that you're trying to achieve with your window project. So it is possible to customize the glass options. Okay, and as the last thing, we're gonna check out again, we're gonna turn the window to the outside so we can check, as usual we do, we're gonna look at the bottom section of the bottom sash to see how well insulated and is it gonna let any air outside or inside without your permission. Okay, so what we got here, it's a flexible air bulb which is on the exterior of the bottom sash, and it's kind of like a fridge style or door style, so it's not like a Rubbermaid, which is that's a good sign, so it's not gonna worn out. And right here, ladies and gentlemen, we have a magnetized air bulb as well, magnet right here. So when we lock the sash, actually, let's see, here we go, I did it with one hand, but anyway, we push the sash down, and when we lock the locks, again right here, so it's pretty much tight. I would say it is tight, and not a stream of air is going to be able to pass through, or any insects if they try to crawl. I mean, it would be nice probably to have at the bottom like a small lip, like some other premium windows have it. But that magnet on the other side of the bottom sash probably is going to do the good job too as well. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, Joyce Windows Heritage Series. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to let me know, and I'll see you next time.